Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to our presentation on urban mobility optimization. Today, I, Rohan Juneja, and my colleagues Jahir and Darshan are excited to explore the complex world of urban mobility and the critical need for optimizing transportation systems in our rapidly evolving cities. In this presentation, we will explore the challenges, opportunities, and innovative solutions that can completely transform urban transportation, ensuring efficiency, sustainability, and convenience for all stakeholders. So, moving to the next slide, meet our team. Our team consists of dedicated professionals with distinct roles contributing to our mission of enhancing urban mobility. I am the presenter, Jair is the team leader, and Darshan is the developer. Today, we will be guiding you through our findings and proposals. Moving to the next slide, that is agenda. The agenda for today's presentation will cover a series of crucial topics aimed at improving urban mobility. We will start by introducing the challenges of urban transportation, followed by a discussion on the implementation plan, budget, and data analysis. Additionally, we will explore how to integrate our proposed solutions into existing business processes, all while ensuring ethical data management practices are upheld. So moving to the next slide, that is agenda content. Our presentation begins with an overview of the challenges faced in urban mobility and the need for effective solutions to improve city transportation. In business process visualization, we will showcase how our proposed solutions can be seamlessly integrated into existing urban transportation frameworks to enhance operational efficiency. In data analysis plan, we will outline our approach to gathering, analyzing, and utilizing data to make informed decisions for enhancing urban transportation systems. In ethics and data management plan, our commitment to ethical data practices, we will highlight the measures in place to responsibly manage data throughout the optimization process. In implementation plan and budget, we will discuss the practical steps and financial aspects crucial for executing proposed strategies and optimizing urban mobility. So moving to the next slide, that is introduction. Urban mobility utilization envisions optimizing the use of transportation resources within urban areas to efficiently meet the diverse needs of the community. So our goal is to make it easier to use transport resources in urban areas. With the help of our plans, we hope to build a system of urban transit that is more effective, more accessible, and capable of changing to meet the shifting demands of cities, people, and the companies. So in the next slide, we will discuss the background about the topic, why the project is being done and for whom. Our urban mobility optimization project is a response to the challenges of congestion, pollution, and inefficiency in urban transportation. By harnessing data analytics and technology, we aim to improve the transportation experience for city planners, providers, commuters, and the environment. This initiative emphasizes efficiency, sustainability, and an enhanced urban lifestyle. Our target stakeholders include city planners, transportation providers, commuters, residents, and environmental and sustainability advocates. So moving to the next slide. Here we'll discuss about the business problems. This segment highlights how the urban mobility optimization project seeks to tackle important business challenges. Our focus lies in utilizing data analysis and optimization techniques to develop a predictive model. This model will enable us to optimize urban transportation strategies, mitigate traffic congestion, and enhance overall environmental sustainability. Now, over to the next presenter, that is Jahi, to delve deeper into our proposed solutions.
Here I'm going to explain the project objective. So our basic project objective is to create a predictive model. While creating a predictive model, we have to focus all these few factors. Like we're going to develop a predictive model that will somehow accurately forecast the traffic pattern based on the historical data. Also, we find some going to find identify some key factors that is influencing or affecting our urban mobility, such as traffic flow, maybe transportation uses, some social economic factors, and all other variables. We're also going to provide a recommended system that will try to help to gain environmental sustainability. Maybe that will be reduce the congestions or maybe transportation strategies. Also, we're going to find particular variables that were mostly affecting our urban mobility. And also, we're going to create some efficiency and effectiveness that will reduce the traveling time and environmental impact. So the in scope and out scope actually the thing we're gonna do in our project and things we're not going to do in our project. The first is like in scope activities. So we're gonna do the data exploration, data collection, and data preparation things. We're gonna collect a large set of data on the from our research. Then going to preparing the data by cleaning the data, by modifying the data and all that thing. After that, we're going to do exploratory part by analyzing the data, then do some visualization, maybe box plot, histograms, scatter plots to find a particular patterns for our data. After gonna main focus is to create a predictive model. By here we can use any predictive model like linear regression on the for the researching we can find which predictive model will be best for our model. Maybe the linear regression, maybe logistic regression, the random forest, decision tree. After that, we're going to create a documentation and reporting. So outscope activity we are not going to cover in our that is a real-time traffic management, then the comprehensive market analysis, financial service, and we're not going to create any mobile app development and a very extensive environmental analysis we're not going to do in our project. So what are the outcomes and benefit of our project? So what outcomes we will get, what is benefit we're going to get? So the outcome is to be going to create a predictive model. From the predictive model, we're going to find some pattern for in our transportation and improve our resource and allocation in efficiency. Also, we're going to create generate a dashboard that is very user friendly and very easy to visualize and analyze. It also create opportunity it provide opportunities for among the stockholders. Also, it's very easy for any residents to check the for urban mobility optimization, so they can also easily navigate. What benefit all the peoples will going to get from this? So it will be going to lower the impact on environmental impact also. So it will increase more environmental sustainability, also reduce the traffic congestion, and it is shorter to travel. Also, it is going to improve the urban life of the people also, and also improve the life of the urban residents. Also, it's going to enhance the decision making through the data driven insight and also going to provide a competition between the stakeholders. So business process visualization. So for the visualization, we created two combination of two charts, that is a Swinland and the flowchart. So in Swinland, as you can see, we created two Swinlands. And first is the user interface front end and back end architecture. Like there will be back end all the database and all these things. Again, in the user interface, we divided two parts. That is user interface and internet interface is there. The user interface mainly the dashboards and all that thing. People when the user try to access the home page, it will go to the internet interface and save. After that, when they try to find a particular optimization information, it will come to the back end, and that way, when they use that way, the whole system is going to work. In the business process visualization, we create in the second part we create a flowchart. In the flowchart, we divide our works into two parts. First part is going to work in a local level, and second part is going to work in a urban level. The local level, the few basic things going to work. There will be data collection will be happen from the secondary and primary data, and so it will be a collection of the primary data and secondary data will be there. After going to primary data and secondary, we're going to do EDA, the data cleaning, data pre-processing, and after that we're going to create a model, predictive model to analyze our data. In this urban regional level, same as we're going to do the data collection in the urban level, and then in data collection we divide our data into two parts, primary data and secondary. Primary data is like same going to like from the survey data. Primary data is mostly going to be our survey data, and from secondary data it will going to be a from quantity studies from the research paper studies and all that, maybe a household survey, maybe land use, government data, and all these things will be coming in secondary. And in the secondary data there will be like after that we're going to create a one model variable that is travel demand model. In that model it's going to be consider all these factors like reduce the traffic congestion, traffic risk, fatality risk, and environmental quality, health, and all these things will create a sustainable transport. Now, rest of the thing we're going to explain by a Darshan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jahir, for explaining that to us. I'll take it from here. Hi, guys. My name is Darshan Tahiliani, and I am the developer in this team. So, now let's see how our data analysis plan looks like. So, what we are going to do is we will be using these methods, which are HR data analysis, data cleaning and processing, demographic analysis, predictive modeling, and data reporting and visualization. Using these methods, we'll make sure all our client requirements are fulfilled properly. So this is how our architecture diagram looks like. So now let's go ahead and talk about ethics. So ethics is the most important thing when you're working. So you should always follow the principles with honesty and the responsibilities which are assigned to you. You should make sure you're doing it with all integrity. So let's see how we've planned to do this. So this is our plan for ethics and data management. So for starters, we'll make sure our policies are reviewed regularly. How would we do that? Basically, we'll stay up to date with changing regulations and best practices. Then comes the data governance. So data governance is basically if there's any mishappening going on, let's say data breach or any other security incidents, we would have an established protocol on how to handle that and report that. Then comes anonymized data. Here, we will anonymize all the personal data to protect individuals' privacy. Then, last but not the least, we've got secure data. Here, we have few measures such as access control, encryption, and regular updates, backups to protect individuals' data. Now, let's go ahead and see how our implementation plan looks like. So, for the better understanding, we have made a grand chart to show how our implementation is going. As you can see, we are in the mid October and we are almost done with our requirement understanding. Requirement design has been started now. In the near future, we'll be working on data collection, then comes data report, employment demographic report, we'll be doing forecasting model preparation, and then we'll be testing out our model and basically handing over our project. And in order to finish our project, each and every team member needs to do their responsibility. So now we're going to talk about responsibilities. First, we have Zahir Khan as our team leader. He will be responsible for the project's coordination and management. He will also look after project's technical aspects and he would be the key point of contact for the client. Then comes me, Darshan Tahiliani. As a developer of the team, I would look after data collection and integration from various sources. I will also be processing and cleaning that data to ensure it's high quality data. Then we have Rohan Juneja as a presenter of our team. He will prepare projects reports and documentation, basically ensuring that the project's finding and recommendations are effectively communicated. We have also made an estimated budget plan according to our projects. I'll just briefly go through with all the expenses which we would be having. First comes personal costs. We have estimated the cost to be around 300,000, which is the huge chunk in our budget plan. Then comes data collection, data analysis tools, data storage, reporting software, training and support, and miscellaneous expenses. Altogether, these would contribute and make our total project budget to 373,000. As I said, it's an estimated cost. To summarize everything, I would say the urban mobility optimization project is a significant and innovative endeavor which would revolutionize the transportation system. It begins with planning and data collection, leading to predictive model that improves transportation efficiency and reduces congestion. This project makes a significant step towards a more sustainable and efficient urban transportation landscape, which is with a focus on a brighter urban future.